run this mother. Girls run the world. Girls run the world. Girls.
Definitely pre-drill. You want to make sure that you're level to your surface and you're just going to apply pressure. Just remember short strokes. You can always add additional paint afterward. And as you can see, that's a great way to take your backyard furniture from blase to snazzy with $5. Once again, make sure you have your bucket. I always start with my hand first. Going to the left here. And then make sure you tighten. A household item that we typically do not think of to use for home improvement is toothpaste. It should be white because we don't want to have a blue spot on our wall. So we're going to roughen up the surface just a little bit because you want it to kind of be flush. It just makes it easier. And then you just use your toothpaste. Just a little bit on your finger goes a long way. And then you just want to dab it in there. And as you can see, it's not completely filled yet, but it will be by the time we're done. And basically we're just going to score the bottom of the window to loosen up any loose paint. This kind of helps to prevent any damage to be done to the window. We'll see you next week.
Girls